The CData Power BI connector provides self-service integration with Microsoft Power BI, linking your reports to real-time data. The connector also offers unmatched performance for interacting with live MongoDB data in Power BI. In this video, we walk through installing the Power BI connector, connecting to MongoDB, and building a simple visualization in Power BI. To begin, navigate to cdata.com and download the Power BI connector for MongoDB. Run the installer and follow the instructions for installation. Once the connector is installed, the DSN configuration wizard will open. Fill in the required connection properties like server, port, auth scheme, user, password, database, and auth database. Test the connection to ensure that you have configured it properly. If you have questions about the connection properties, refer to the help documentation. Once you have the DSN configured, open Power BI Desktop. Click Get Data, then Other, then CData MongoDB. Enter CData Power BI MongoDB in the Data Source Name menu. Next, select a data connectivity mode. Direct Query allows you to work with remote data in real time. Import copies the remote data onto your workstation. Next, choose Anonymous Authentication and click Save. Then, choose a MongoDB collection from the navigator and click Load. After connecting to MongoDB in Power BI, you can create data visualizations in the report view by dragging fields from the Fields pane onto the canvas. And that's all you need to know to create a visualization of real-time MongoDB data in Power BI using CData's Power BI connector. To get started with CData's Power BI connector for MongoDB, visit cdata.com/mongodb/powerbi and download a free trial. Thanks for watching, and as always, you can find more resources at cdata.com.